All right, guys, we've been solving equations for a while now. We're going to look at a couple situations that we're going to solve our equations just like we normally do, but as you can see right in here, we're going to end up with no variables at all. And we're going to explore what happens when that occurs during solving our equation. So here's our problem that we have right here. 9z plus 12 equals 3 times the quantity of 3z plus 4. We do have parentheses, so we need to distribute. The left side can stay the same. So the 3 will get distributed 3z, and the 3 will get distributed to the plus 4. We get 9z positive 12. Now we can kind of see something's up because both sides are equal to each other. We keep going through our process of solving. We have no like terms to combine on either side. The variables are the same, so it doesn't matter which one we move. So I'm going to subtract 9z from both sides. And we see that 12 is equal to 12. We followed our steps just like we normally do, except now that the variables are gone. Since both sides are equal to each other, 12 does equal 12. That is a true statement. What that tells us is we have infinitely many solutions, which means no matter what number we substitute into the original equation for our variable, it's going to check out for us. We have infinitely many solutions. Sometimes you'll hear people say that all real numbers are a solution. Any number you want to substitute into, 1/2, 2/3, -5/8, 2.76, -8.41, any of those numbers and every number that you substitute in is going to check out in that equation. The second situation we're going to look at is when we solve the equation, just following our steps. Again, we're going to end up with no variables, but the two sides are not going to be equal. That means we're going to have no solution. So here is the equation we're going to look at right here. 5x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2. Remember our rules. We distribute first, since we have parentheses. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -2 is positive 4. There's nothing to do on the right side of the equal sign, so we just go ahead and recopy it. We do have like terms over here on the left side. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So 3x plus 4 equals 3x plus 2. This kind of looks a little fishy already, so if you kind of are paying attention, then we'll notice something's up a little bit and it's not going to quite look right. Since the variables are the same, again, it doesn't matter which one we move. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides. And we see that 4 is equal to 2. 4 equals 2. We know that's not true. That is a false statement. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that off here. That is a false statement. What that tells us is that we have no solution. We didn't do anything wrong. We followed the same process for all of our equations that we normally do with these two. But if we eliminate the variables, and we have a true statement, then there are infinitely many solutions. If we eliminate the variables and we have a false statement, then that means no solution. That means no number that you substitute in for x is going to check out in this equation. So I have two practice problems I would like for you to try tonight. First one, 24a plus 8 minus 10a is equal to -2 times the quantity of 4 minus 7a. The second equation I want you to try is 3 times the quantity of x plus 1, then subtract 5 equals 3x minus 2. Practice those two equations. One of them is going to turn out to be infinitely many solutions, and one's going to turn out to have no solution. Try those two out tonight and bring them to class the next time, and we'll talk about them then. Good luck, guys.